Hey everybody, Project 2, College Majors. I'm Donnell Gary Jr. Let's get this show on the road. Part 1. In the year 2016, the United States, women earned more bachelor's degrees than the men in the United States. Women had the highest percentages of that being 11% of earning a registered nurse's degree, while men had percentages of 8% achieving an administration and management general degree. These high percentages are because men chose business management related degrees because they're known for having a high salary income, and this also allows them to grow and have room in the company to advance within their fields. There are restrictions because they have the knowledge to operate the business successfully and effectively, which is why they're having a higher income. While women, on the other hand, tend to seek jobs that they can become impactful in and fulfill their lives with skills that can actually apply to the real world. However, both majors can be applied to multiple different jobs within that field's limits. The ratio of men to women earning the most popular degree was 6 females to 8 males, making the ratio 4-3. The majors in the Venn diagrams are below. Men, as you can see, this is the category of men: accounting, business administration and management, biology and biological studies, finance, general, mechanical engineering, etc. in the numbers listed here. This category is women. The name of the degree, such as social work, psychology, accounting, biology and biological studies, English language and literature, etc., and their numbers that came with them. Now on to part 2. Petroleum engineering is the top earning major, but is not in the top 10 for either gender because it's a specialized field that requires a strong mathematical and physics background. On the other hand, counseling psychology pays low because in order to make it in this field, or in order to make a large sum of money in this field, one must obtain a doctorate degree in that specialized field. Mechanical engineering is the male exclusive major on the top 10 salary list with a median salary of $80,000 per year. But exclusive female majors on the top 10 list is early childhood education with a median salary of $37,000 per year. Over a 40-year working period, the difference would be $1,720,000, meaning that males majoring in mechanical engineering make 73% more than females majoring in early childhood education, or females majoring in early childhood education make 73% less than males majoring in mechanical engineering. There is no strong connection between the popularity in the majors to the pay of the majors. Most well-known majors are going to be healthcare, psychology, and your business management, administration related concepts in majors. But the highest paying jobs, as we discussed, is in the engineering fields. Part 3. Nursing being the furthest major from the regression line, indicates this major is more in relation with women than men, as we discussed. Since 80% of physics majors are men, there's a 20% chance of a physics major being a woman, or a 1/4 chance. This is a very low chance because their science fields seem to be where the large gender gap is. Men are considered to be better and smarter than women in fields of science and math, supposedly. There is a correlation between gender dominating majors. According to the U.S. Department of Education, while some majors are popular for both men and women, some are heavily dominated by one gender or the other. Male and females make different choices with regard to college majors, but two main reasons have been suggested for this gender gap: differences in their actual innate abilities that they were born with, and their differences in preferences being different genders. Researchers from the University of Cornell decided that the choice of career is largely determined by pay between men and women. In other words, women basically dominate jobs that pay less, like early childhood education or social work, while men dominate jobs that tend to pay more, such as your business administration majors and your mechanical engineering majors. And here is my reference for my information in my graph. So, according to the Institute for Women's Policy Research, or the IWPR, if changes continues at the same slow pace as it has done for the past 50 years, it will take 40 years, or basically into the year 2059, for women to finally reach pay parity. Today, women are almost half of the workforce in the United States. They are the sole or co-breadwinner in half of American families with children, and they receive more college and graduate degrees than men. Yet, unfortunately, on average, women continue to earn considerably a lot less than men. According to the IWPR, in 2018, female full year-round workers made a whole 82 cents out of every dollar earned by men. This gender gap is at 18% in the year 2018. This commonly cited statistic may be understating the extent of pay inequality, but the IWPR analysis of women and men's earnings over 15 years found that women made just almost half of what men made, but it is at 49% of what men made. This table does not indicate the exact age group of the sample group I have provided, nor does it include all ethnicities such as Native Americans. And here is where I got my information for my graph. I would like to say Project 2 is complete. Thank you for listening.